Transformers are vital to the electrical grid, but can face costly outages due to aging or overloading. Siemens Energy on-site transformer services reduce downtime and extend transformer life expectancy. When on-site repair? Our on-site services are the optimal choice for minimizing operational disruption and transformer transportation costs, depending on various factors. Extending the life of existing transformers through repair and refurbishment significantly reduces the demand for resources and benefits the environment by minimizing resource extraction and waste. When should we meet? We accompany your transformers along the entire life cycle. How do we do it? Our 3-level condition assessment, based on transformer diagnostic services, provides detailed test reports with a summary of recommended actions. Our numerous oil treatment methods like reg, dry, or clean reduce the aging process of paper insulation and windings. Active part repair includes uprating, winding replacement, and tap changer. Active part drying by hot oil spray or vapor phase in tank is essential to completely remove moisture. Also, an ongoing in-service drying solution is provided for this purpose. External parts refurbishment includes updating control panels, rewiring, replacing gaskets and cooling systems, and applying new paint, as well as bushing exchange and oil conservator. Our mobile electrical testing equipment can be used for single-phase and 3-phase transformer testing across all performance and voltage classes. Learn more about transformer services.